Although you may be washing your filter basket and your accompanying handle every day, I want to show you why it's important to take apart this filter basket at least once every couple months. It's recommended you do it every 200 uses and clean it, and I'll show you why in a second. Ideally, when you're washing your basket, you do want to be using soap every, at least once a week or so, because the coffee beans contain oil, and the oil can build up inside and can be very hard to remove with just water. So once in a while, it's good the idea to use a little bit of soap and water and a sponge. But let me quickly show you this basket. I've let this go for a few months now, just to knowing that I would ideally make this video, and I'll show you. And as you know, the filter basket works by pressurized water, goes through the coffee, goes through here. You get your crema and your espresso. But let's take a look at what happens when it builds up. First of all, hopefully the camera can catch this, but there is some of that build up around here, and that's the stuff that can be ideally gotten, either using a sponge every day. Those are some tough corners, but a toothbrush works well, and just using that soap and water. But again, I've let this build up on purpose, just to really illustrate it. So this piece at the bottom, this just screws off. Quite easy. This little piece falls off. Now look at that. That's typical oil and crud buildup. Now, luckily, this this comes off really easily. This is just a bit of water on a paper towel. But if you can get in there with your soap and water, that's going to clean out nice and easy and well, and just keeps things clean. But really, we're getting to the critical part. This little piece here, and this is going to come right out. You're going to be left with this. This can clean up as well. And then finally, we're going to remove this. And on here, this is actually pretty clean, but this is the part I want to show you. You'd never see this. You'd never have access to this. This is a little bit of water left over from this morning. And this is the part that I let build up. So this right here, this actually, watch my finger, this is just build up, and this gets removed. But the critical part, and this will be hard to show, but it's these little tiny holes in here. And you can see that some of them are ever so slightly clogged, especially on the corners here. If I bring that in really close, you might be able to see. Not terrible, but worth taking a poke at. And we're going to poke it with just a needle, just like this, just to make sure that our water can flow through. And just go through and check them. You're not going to get the whole needle through. You're not supposed to. These are tiny, tiny holes. But you want to just make sure anything that looks clogged, you go nab it. And so that's it. It's really simple. I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but clean it up nice. Use the soap and water if you can. And then putting it back goes back the same way. You'll notice there's a hole here and a little piece here. Those are going to need to line up. So that fits in nice and snug like that. Holes line up, goes through. There's a little hole in here that you want to line up with this little nub. That fits flat at the bottom, just like that. And this piece screws back on. And that's it. So here we are with the parts all cleaned up. Nice and easy. Use a little bit of soap. Now, just to be clear, to get the edges in the in corner, if you have anything stuck in here, I took the back of a knife and just use take the back of a knife with a paper towel and just clean that inside that edge, and you'll get it right out. and it cleans up literally shiny as new. All good. Yeah, well, anyway, if you found this at all helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, subscribe down below. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to see some other tips, and maintenance is a really important tip actually that you should be doing every day. It's in our other video on espresso machine maintenance. I hope you'll check it out. Be well, guys.